Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing great. Guys, today in this video I'm gonna review about free products from Smitten. Give you a detailed info about Smitten beauty products, and then I'll show you like what are all the products which I got for free trials, and then I'll say you like how you can buy those free trial products, and at last I'll say you like whether it's really a free products or we should need to pay some amount of money to get these products. In this video I'll cover all these topics, so please do watch at the end of the video. Don't skip at any part. Guys, first let me tell you what is Smitten. Smitten is an app which is similar to the Purple or Nykaa Fashion. Here you'll get beauty products or skincare products. You'll get many varieties of beauty or skincare products. Guys, the best part of Smitten app is that in Nykaa or in Purple you'll not get any free trial products, but in Smitten you'll get free trial products. Now let me review that what are all the products which I got from Smitten. And guys, here is my Smitten box. It is well packed like this. Well guys, here is my box, and at the starting you'll get a bag like this from Smitten, and here it's given it's worth of 499 rupees. Let me open this. You can see it's a travel kind of bag. And next thing what I got is I got Mamaearth face mask with saffron and turmeric apricot oil. This is worth of 25 gram and its cost of 99 bucks. And the next thing I got is Mamaearth onion shampoo with onion and keratin, and this is worth of 99 rupees and it is 25 ml. And similarly, since it's a shampoo, I also got conditioner for it. Guys, I never tried with Mamaearth shampoo, so I thought of trying this once. This is the shampoos I got. First, like Mamaearth onion shampoo with onion and keratin of worth of 99 bucks and it's of 25 ml. And this one is of conditioner, Mamaearth conditioner with onion and coconut. It's also worth of 99 bucks and it's of 25 ml. You can see it's very travel friendly. Since it's a trial product, it's small. Smells really good. Okay. And the next thing which I got from Smitten is Mamaearth Free Oil Moisturizer. Even I didn't try moisturizer of Mamaearth, so I thought of trying this. And this is also worth of 99 rupees and it's also of 25 gram. Let me open this. Small. Guys, you can see it is properly sealed. Guys, this is the fourth product which I got from Smitten. And the next thing is, this is from Just Herbs Rose Water Facial Mist. And this is worth of 65 bucks. And this is of 10 ml. This bottle finish also you can refill it again and you can use this for travel. It's best for travel, I think. And guys, the next product which I got from Smitten is from Plum Green Tea Daylight Sunscreen of SPF 35 PA++. Guys, you know that nowadays the Plum products has been trending all over the internet. Even I didn't try this. I thought of trying this once, and this is heavy costlier. When I checked in Flipkart or Amazon or Nykaa, it is heavy costlier. So I thought of just taking this trial with the trial point, and let me use this first. After that it's work out, then I can buy another one. So this is from Plum and it's a daylight sunscreen, and this is worth of 190 rupees. And This is also of 15 ml. This is Chota, it's of 15 ml and its cost of 190 rupees. I should really try this product. Guys, here is first product, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. As I said you before, you'll get 6 trial points. I got 6 products with 1 pouch. This is a free. And let me say you the cost. Like it is like 99 rupees 100. This is also 99 100 of 200. This is also 99 to 300. And this is also 100 of 400. And this is of 190. Let we take as 200, 500, 600. And this is of 65, 665. Let we consider this pouch with remaining amount, let we take as 35 bucks. Then totally it is worth of 700 bucks. And you can see here, you can keep this product easily. And this is also a travel friendly pouch. Guys, this is all products which I got from Smitten with 6 trial points. And now let me tell you like how much I really paid for this. Actually, if we count correctly, it will be worth of 700 rupees, but I paid 199 rupees. Guys, let me take and go you to the screen. Install the Smitten app. If you want any referral code, I'll share my referral code in my description. You can go and check it out once. Once you are on the screen, at the top you can see there is a 4 trial point, and in cart there is a 2 products which has been already added. For 1 product, 1 trial point. And you can see the free gift. It will come for first starting customer who will log in and place their first order. Guys, there will be different trial point for different products. For one, it will be 1 trial point. For another, it might be 2 trial point. For another product, it might be 3 trial point. Depends on its cost. You can see, still have 4 trial point. Just scroll down. You can see there, discover all trials. You'll get approx 236 trials. You'll get different things like this soap, you'll get cocoa powder and facial mask. Like this, you'll get different trial point. You can see there, for that sheet mask, it has 2 trial points for only 1 sheet mask. And for this rose body wash, it's 1 trial point. You totally get 6 trial point. You can use any of them. You can also buy 1 product with 2 trial point or only 1 product with 1 trial point. I bought all this product for 6 trial point, for 1 trial point each for 1 product. Guys, in my cart I have 6 products which is cost of 600 bucks, but here you need to pay 199 rupees, and this 199 rupees is refundable. Like you'll get, once you pay 199 rupees, this 199 rupees, it will be added to your wallet, a Smitten wallet, or you can use this as 6 trial points again. Like this, credit to my Smitten wallet or 6 trial point. This 199 rupees is only validity for 30 days, but whereas this 6 trial point, it's lifetime validity. You should pay 199 rupees. Friends, this is how you can get your free trial points using a Smitten app. Once you have paid with 199 rupees, this 199 rupees will be credited to a Smitten wallet once you done with successful placement of your order. Then this 199 rupees will be credited to your wallet, or it will be used as 6 trial points again. You can choose any of them. 199 rupees, it will be validity for 30 days, whereas 6 trial point again, it will be validity for lifetime. And the question here is it really worth to buy on Smitten? I'll say you an answer for this. For example, if you think to try any products which is exploring over the internet, for example, take with the Plum product, and this is costlier product. If you think like, yeah, I should use this once to my skin, okay, then if the product price is more than 700 rupees and this product will not suitable for your skin, then what's the use of buying that product of giving 700 bucks? Instead of that, the other option is using with a trial. Like I'm taking this a trial. Now I'll apply to my skin. If it works perfectly, only then I'll buy on Smitten. And guys, now let me tell you the secret behind the Smitten products. And guys, I think this is the best or unique way to attract the customer. They use a good technique to sell their products. Here, once you sign up, you'll get 6 trial points and you'll take 6 products for free trials. Okay, then it's given as pay 199 rupees for 6 products. Instead of paying 600 rupees, you are paying only 199 rupees. Okay, and they are saying that this 199 rupees is refundable, means this 199 rupees will be added to your wallet, or you can use this 199 rupees as free 6 trial points again. Okay, after once you order with your products, you'll get 199 rupees on your wallet, and this 199 rupees will be validity for only 30 days. Right? This 199 rupees is useful only when you are purchasing a product more than 799 rupees. Like, if who will purchase more than 799? Like, there are many products. I do agree that there are many products on Smitten, but I think nobody will go for 799 to get only for 199. See, only for 199 you are purchasing a product more than 800 rupees. Somehow it is useful for them itself. The another option is like, you can add your points like 199 rupees. You can convert that into 6 trial points. Again, it will be there in the topmost as 6 trial point. You can use this, and again you will buy, and again you need to pay 199 rupees. Somehow it is repeating, like the cycle is repeating, and you are paying 199 rupees. Finally, here I'm at conclusion that these Smitten products are not free products. I do agree you need to pay a lower amount, but it's not a free product. You need to pay some amount like 199 rupees. That's it. Only for 7 products you are paying only 199 rupees, and that is the best thing for you, because if you want to try any new products, then you can easily try by taking a trial. And guys, another thing, while you are ordering a product, there are 2 options. Like, you can do via cash on delivery or online payment. If you do cash on delivery, there is an extra 50 charge. Instead of that, you can do in online, you will pay only 199 rupees. If you do cash on delivery, it will be 250 rupees. So keep it in mind that whether you will go with cash on delivery or online payment. I think the Smitten is giving a best opportunity to try the new products. If you like that product, you can buy new one. And I think it's a good strategy to attract the customers also. Since I got extra 6 trial point, I have ordered again 6 product, and it's on the way. And once it will reach out to me, I do unboxing for that. And I have been waiting for my new product, because I am the one who makes trials and errors on my skin, which suits better for me like that. Okay guys, then if you have any doubt regarding this Smitten app, if you don't know how you can order, then what about the trial point and all, you can comment me on my inbox. I am fast at replying comments, so please comment me on my inbox such that I'll reply you. I'll get your issues solved. And that's it for today guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share and subscribe. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe, and please wait for my next unboxing of Smitten. Thank you so much guys.